market is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the segment. Automakers are pulling out all the stops, rolling out innovative models with cutting-edge technology, electrified powertrains, and bold new designs. Whether you're a fan of traditional combustion engines or eager to see how electric SUVs stack up against their gas-powered counterparts, this year's lineup is packed with exciting options. In today's deep dive, we'll be breaking down the top 5 most anticipated SUVs of 2025, exploring their features, performance, and real-world usability to help you decide which one deserves your attention. Buckle up, because the future of SUVs is here. Number 5. 2025 Ford Explorer EV. The electrified icon. Ford is electrifying one of its most beloved nameplates, and the 2025 Ford Explorer EV is a game-changer. Built on a dedicated EV platform, this SUV promises over 300 miles of range, paired with Ford's latest Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology. Inside, expect a minimalist yet high-tech cabin featuring a 15.5-inch vertical infotainment screen and a spacious third-row setup. Ford is positioning the Explorer EV as a family-friendly electric SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. With a dual-motor all-wheel drive system pushing out 450 horsepower, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Not bad for a family hauler. However, the biggest highlight is the ultra-fast charging capability, allowing an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Pricing is expected to start around $55,000. Making it a strong competitor against the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Ioniq 7. The Explorer EV is perfect for long family road trips, offering a quiet cabin, plenty of cargo space, and quick charging for minimal downtime. However, availability of charging infrastructure might be a concern for those in rural areas. Number 4. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250. The off-road king returns. Toyota is bringing back the Land Cruiser to North America in a slimmer, more rugged form, blending classic appeal with modern technology. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 250 ditches the gas-guzzling V8 for a 2.4L turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. This hybrid setup not only improves fuel economy but also enhances low-end torque for serious off-road capability. Toyota keeps things simple yet functional, with durable materials, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen, and a suite of off-road driving aids like crawl control and multi-terrain select. Pricing is expected to be in the $50,000 range, making it a compelling alternative to the Jeep Wrangler 4xe and Ford Bronco. If you need an SUV that can traverse mountain trails on Saturday and handle school runs on Monday, the Land Cruiser 250 is your best bet. However, traditionalists may miss the V8's raw grunt. Number 3. 2025 BMW X5 Plug-in Hybrid. Performance meets efficiency. BMW's best-selling luxury SUV gets a serious upgrade for 2025. The BMW X5 xDrive 50e now boasts a turbocharged inline-6 paired with a larger electric motor, cranking out 483 horsepower and an all-electric range of 60 miles. Nearly double the previous model. This means you can handle daily commutes on electric power while still enjoying that signature BMW performance on the open road. The cabin remains a tech lover's dream, featuring a curved 14.9-inch infotainment display running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials. Pricing starts around $72,000, making it a direct rival to the Mercedes GLE 450e and Volvo XC90 Recharge. For those who want an SUV that balances power, luxury, and efficiency, the X5 plug-in hybrid is a solid choice. However, at this price point, full electric options like the Tesla Model X may seem more future-proof. Number 2. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 7. The futuristic family hauler. Hyundai is taking a bold step forward with the Ioniq 7, an all-electric three-row SUV designed to redefine the family car experience. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, the Ioniq 7 features dual-motor AWD producing 380 horsepower and a massive 100 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of up to 350 miles. The real showstopper, however, is the interior. The Ioniq 7 boasts a lounge-like cabin with swiveling captain's chairs, ambient LED lighting, and a fully digital cockpit. Advanced driver assist tech, including Level 3 autonomous driving, makes it one of the most futuristic SUVs on the market. Pricing is expected to start around $60,000, putting it head-to-head with the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S. If you want a family SUV that feels more like a spaceship than a minivan, the Ioniq 7 is the way to go. Just be prepared for potential long charging times on road trips. Number 1. 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S. The all-electric American icon. Topping our list is Jeep's first fully electric SUV, the Wagoneer S. With 600 horsepower from a dual-motor AWD setup, this electric beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Jeep promises a range of over 400 miles, a significant improvement over many current EVs. The interior is all about luxury and tech, featuring premium materials, a massive 15-inch infotainment system, and Jeep's signature select-terrain system for off-road enthusiasts. Pricing is expected to start around $80,000, competing directly with the Rivian R1S and Tesla Model X. The Wagoneer S blends rugged capability with modern EV performance, making it the perfect SUV for those who refuse to compromise. However, at this price point, it faces stiff competition from luxury EV brands. 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for SUV enthusiasts, with electrification, performance, and cutting-edge technology taking center stage. If you're looking for a budget-friendly electric SUV, the Ford Explorer EV is a great choice. Off-road adventurers will love the Toyota Land Cruiser 250, while BMW's X5 plug-in hybrid balances luxury and efficiency. Families seeking something futuristic should check out the Hyundai Ioniq 7, but if you want the best blend of power, range, and all-American SUV heritage, the Jeep Wagoneer S is the one to beat. Which of these SUVs excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let's talk about the future of the SUV segment.